Things can come out of a great relationship. I've been offered through a European funding program as a consultancy. I said, okay, let's do it.
When we had our first video call, I knew this is going to be great. This overall topic, health and safety, that really came true here. It's on, let's say, the top priority of our two companies.
Binzel is one of the world's best, especially within the welding and robotic welding. I was very excited when I figured that the mission they have by the new devices they have, they just suck the pollution. I've seen how much that gas that is produced out of the welding can be damaging. We are at PureCity cleaning the air as well. That was such a great match.
Motesa was talking about pollution first. I was only thinking on air pollution. He was thinking of pollution that's created by the welding fume, and I got it. And then I learned about his company, PureCity. There is a technology that was created by Motesa and his team to clean air, especially in big cities where we have a real high air pollution. Now we had our common point, reducing pollution. We both thought, could we do something together outside of this business mentoring? We said, yeah, let's work on the project of Motesa. Let's create some of his prototypes.
We are working on developing the product.
We make design optimizers and welding for the panel part.
All these tables that you can see right here, these are small pieces one by one that we have done. The most interesting part about this design, to fold the panel, this layer into two, makes the whole structure very strong. They have such a vast experience within the welding. We have benefited a lot from their experiences.
It was likewise. We benefited a lot from the know-how from Motesa, his experience. It really helped us. We have to finish the prototypes.
We are already planning a pilot implementation.
It was really a very good opportunity to, say, produce something that helps to create a healthier and safer environment by using our welding equipment.